All right, so I'm a pretty big fan of the Fish shell. Unfortunately, one thing I stumbled on is that my install of Docker Desktop on my Mac, I don't really have completion for it. So I can't complete any of the sub commands, which is not so helpful. So after some digging, there are two sets of completions. There are a manually created set of completions for Docker, for Bash, Z Shell, and Fish. And then there's also an automatically generated set of completions that you can generate with the completion command. And in the case of Fish, this is actually pretty good. So you can run this command and you can provide Bash, Fish, PowerShell, or Z Shell. And if you run it for Fish, you'll get a set of completions. Just take this and pipe it out to the Fish config directory into the completions subdirectory. And I'll call this Docker and then .fish. And it needs to be named Docker because this will be an auto-loaded completion for the Docker command when you go to use it. So now when I run that, if I use the Docker command, you can see I now get completions. And if I narrow this down here, there you go. You can see I get a lot of completion help. And if I look at container here, Docker container run, I can actually get completions for various image names.